Mobiles, you know, that the pay one price wristband building is over there. That's the line. It's crazy. We're gonna ride the carousel. Looks like that line died down a bit. I don't know if the ring game is in use. Yep. And there go the rings. Let's see what we can do. This is never easy. Two non-gold rings. Oh, missed it. I'm too old for this. Requires too much eye-hand coordination.
Hey, you gotta throw him in that lion's mouth then.
Yeah, somebody already won. Oh well. Three iron rings. Okay. It's still a gorgeous carousel.